In today's video, I'll show you how to mod Hogwarts Legacy. All you have to do is check my video description for this Vortex download link. Scroll down and go to Files and select the manual download option and select the download option and select the slow download option and it will start downloading. And another thing you need is Vortex extension. Scroll down and go to Files and select the manual download option and select the slow download option and it will start downloading. After the download done, click on this folder icon and open this Vortex. Select the yes option, select the install option, select the finish option, go to extensions tab and click to browse for files and go to downloads. Select this Vortex extension and select the open option and select this restart option. And now go to games. In search for a game type Hogwarts Legacy, select the Hogwarts Legacy and select manage. Now Hogwarts Legacy has been added to managed. Go to mods tab. Check my video description for this mod link. For example, I'm doing this mod flying height unlocked. Scroll down and select the manual download option and select slow download option and it will start downloading. After the download done, go back to the Vortex mod manager and select the install from file option and select the fly height mod and select open option. As you can see, the fly height mod has been enabled right now. Now select the deploy mods option and select the play option in game icon. And we reach the maximum height as you can see, and that's how you can install mods in Hogwarts Legacy. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.